Okay, good morning. We are the High Schools County Choir. We are a mixture of all the high schools in Cardiff and the Vale. A small but beautifully formed choir that was going to rise up singing. We've got a fantastic performance schedule for you this morning. We're going to, as I said, we're going to start with Rise Up Singing. The next one is Fields of Gold. We rehearse in the Friary Centre on a Tuesday evening. Next year, we're going to be joined with the junior choir as well, so there's going to be a few more of us, and hopefully the WMC will invite us back to sing again. So enjoy the rest of the programme, and hopefully just support us with lots of applause. Thank you very much.
We have two songs for you now. The second of which is called Towards Infinity, and it's a very, very beautiful song by Paul Jarman is the composer, and it's a tribute to Andrew Macaulay. Now, Andrew Macaulay was a kayaker, a very distinguished kayaker from Australia, and his ambition was to kayak across to New Zealand. He attempted it once and failed, and on the second attempt, there were people out in New Zealand who could see him from the shore. So they organised a party to welcome him back, but he actually never made it to the shore. So that is Towards Infinity. But first of all, a beautiful Welsh carol called Alaw Mair, which means Mary's Melody. It's a composition by Delwyn Ffôn, a very talented Welsh composer who's actually a resident of Whitchurch, so a local composer. So Alaw Mair first of all.
Thank you.
Okay, the next two songs we're going to sing is one by Carl Jenkins from Songs of Sanctuary called Tintinabalin. And the last one we're going to finish with is an arrangement by our very own Mr. Wicket, and it's the Robbie Williams medley, He's the One.
Tonight I'm gonna live for In the past, you cast the answer.